Hey friends, it is Megan Elizabeth and I'm coming to you live from my brand new studio office space. So I wanted to check in, I wanted to say hello, and I wanted to see a test with you guys live as I'm getting ready for my Skype test with QVC and a few other things from this space. So I wanted to just jump on, I wanted to say hello, and I wanted to unbox and show you, hey Julie, how a new Erin Condren wall organizer arrives and how I'm hanging it up. It comes with everything that you need to hang it up. However, I do things a little bit differently. I can't see who that is. Christy. Hi, Christy. As you join in, just say hello. Let me know that you're here. If you're watching the replay, just say #replay. Would love to just say hello. So I'm just going to pull a stool out so that we can take a look. This is a rather large wall organizer. It is a dry erase board that is beautiful and interchangeable. And there's a lot of different things that you're able to do with it. Who else is saying hi? Oh, it's Christy still. And Amanda, hello. I can't see from this far away because you guys are live actually on my phone. So the print is like this big and I'm actually across the room so you can see the whole wall and what I'm doing behind here. All right, so it's a very large, beautiful dry erase organization center, and I actually have these are sold separately. They have pegboards and little like hooks, and they have little like cork strips, and then they have little like wooden cups that have little brackets on them, and they actually hang on hi Karen, on the wall organizer itself, and I'll show you that in a minute. Good morning, Oregon. Okay, so I am going to open this up. I need to grab some scissors here because that's quite a bit of tape that, as you can imagine, packaging. So this just arrived. I have one in my home craft room, and now I'm gonna have one in this office craft room. Hi, Carly. Anyway, these are absolutely stunning. You can get them customized. You can get them, in a bunch of varieties of colors. You can get them with photos on them, like your photos. This one I chose is an Erin Condren classic, in my opinion. It is more like a watercolor floral, and it just very much screams Erin Condren. So I know you probably can't really see me unpackaging all that well. I probably should have either stepped back further or tilted it down more, but I think you get the idea. Hey Sherry. So they're under 10 pounds. They're not very heavy. So because of that, I'm not going to put huge holes in my wall. Even though it comes with everything that you need, it comes with little screw-in anchor bracket kind of things, and they leave ginormous holes. Because it's under 20 pounds, I'm going to use my high and mighty drywall hooks to hang them in here. This in here. So actually, let me see here. I'm going to show you this before I should probably come closer. So this is a magnetic type frame. It all comes apart. That allows this piece here to slide out and be interchangeable for a different design. So you can get different looks for the different holidays if you want, and you only have to buy the one frame. So it's really simple how it all comes together. Magnetized. It comes with the instructions and everything that you need. It even comes with a little like cleaner bottle that you can fill, which is great. And then at the bottom here, this is the bar. I'll show you up close. This is the bar that I was telling you about. It has a little slit in it. So that's what allows these extra wall organizer accessories. It just slides in there and then goes across. So then you can hang pens, dry erase markers, whatever it is. They also, like I said, they have like the cork so you can push pin. These are magnetic, which is awesome. What did I do with I have to dig out my magnets. I'm still getting set up in here. Hi, Lee. Hi, Mona. So that's like really, really cool. There's different things that can go in there, right? So you get that idea. Now, here's the back. It's a nice, sturdy wood. It comes with a Z-bar, if you're familiar with Z-bars. Z-bars, I'm going to have to cut this off. Z-bars are great. They're sturdy, they're secure. You don't have to go out and buy extra hardware if you don't want to. But however, I'm going to show you right here and now why I choose not to use the Z-bar. The one side is already secured on here. It's screwed in, it's secure. It works great with the High and Mighty hooks. This is the part that you would typically screw onto the wall, and then these pieces interlock with each other. So you have a nice sturdy hang on your wall. Totally fine. However, this is how they screw into the wall. You have to put drywall anchors in, and you can see just by the size of them, they leave rather sizable holes. 2 holes that you got to get even into your drywall. Not a big deal, not a big deal. I'm not gonna say like everything about the system is great, so it comes with what you need. However, because of the High and Mighty hook system, okay, these tiny little hooks actually hook just as sturdy right onto here. These hold 20 pounds of weight, and like I said, these are under 10, so they're well under the 20-pound weight limit, and I only have to put pinholes into my drywall with it. I will be on air with these on QVC this weekend, on Friday. I would love for you to tune in and check it out, but if you want to go over to QVC and check them out now, I'll leave a link in the description afterwards, okay? So this is how just beautiful, easy, wonderful it is. It is a dry erase. So these are the Erin Condren wet erase markers, which I actually really do love for inside my planners. But you get the general idea, right? Okay, so we're going to hang this. I'm going to try hanging it over here. I'm going to play around a little bit. The great thing about these is that because of what they are, and I'm not leaving like ginormous holes like these would leave, I'm able to really play and figure out where I want this to hang in my room. So I'll show you really quick what that looks like. This is my sample board that I use on air at QVC. You don't need tools for these. You just place them, press them, and hang them right up. And then this is the size hole that it leaves behind. Okay, so it's these 2 little holes. They don't puncture all the way through the back of the drywall. You can see there's no holes. Well, there are holes in the back of this drywall from something else, but that's not the holes that I just showed you on the other side. There aren't holes, but that's obviously not going all the way through. They don't puncture through the drywall. These have to go all the way through the drywall. You don't have to do that with these High and Mighty hooks. These fill with toothpaste or chalk couture paste, to be honest with you. They fill really well with chalk couture paste. Let me show you what that, I can't show you what that looks like because I don't have chalk couture paste on this one. Yes I do. See that? That's chalk couture paste. Not totally painted or covered over, but they're very small. You get the idea. Y'all get the idea. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see, where do I want this to go? I'm kind of thinking I want this kind of high and up in the corner over here. What do you think? Should I go over more like into the center of the wall? It's not really center, but ooh, or more over to the side. All right, we're just gonna play. I'm gonna put this one here for now. And then I just glide the Z-bar right over top of the hook until it settles into place. And then I just scooch it to level it out on the hook. Make sure the frame is on all the way too. Pretty good, I like that. Looks pretty even. I'll get the level out when we're all done. It doesn't look level on the camera though. Is the camera uneven or am I uneven? Ooh. Maybe? Better? I think you get the idea. You get the idea. Hi, Lynn. So I think it looks really beautiful. The watercolors look great with my new prints. And I'm just kind of playing around with what I want to decorate with. These all are hung by the High and Mighty hooks. I love them. I use them in every room of my house that has drywall. They are for drywall only. But you know, I'm hanging everything from canvases to my dry erase boards, shadow boxes, clocks. I have a clock hung on the other side of the room behind you guys. They hold the Z-tooth hangers. They hold the Z-bars. They hold wire hangers. They're great for even, wreaths and Christmas decorations is what's being hung on them. So there's a ton of different versatility and options that go along with using the High and Mighty drywall hooks. If you have any questions about them, let me know. If you have any questions about, now it looks crooked the other way now. Okay, well maybe it's just the camera. I'll have to get out the level when we're done and I'll just level it up and it'll be totally fine. Obviously it just slides across the Z-bar, settles right into place, and you're good. So it's a lot easier than trying to get tools and a screwdriver and a pencil and making this piece level and leaving huge holes. That's my opinion only. I just think they're really simple and it only took one hook. That's it, one hook. So I hope you guys have a really, really awesome day. I did just want to check in. I wanted to share a little bit of the new space. I'll be doing a full tour once we're all completely settled in. And I hope that you'll join us on Friday on QVC, where we'll be talking more about the high and mighty hooks with, I believe it's Mary Beth Rowe. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.